Men who dress well, they get more women, they earn more money, they live life on easy mode. So today, in 12 minutes, I'm gonna break down every style tip you need to know so you can start living life easy. 1, you have to choose the right fit for your body type. When you go to the store and you see slim fit, straight cut, loose cut, you need to know which one to choose based on your own body type. So I'm gonna show you how to determine your body type and then the types of fit that will look best on it. The 3 main body types are slender, average, and bulky. Men with slender builds, they don't carry a lot of weight or a lot of muscle. They have thin arms and thin legs. They're typically on the taller side with higher metabolism. Men with these builds should prioritize the slim fit and the straight cuts. Men with average builds have a balanced amount of body fat and muscle throughout their body. They're the type of guy that goes to the gym a few times a week, but they're not overly committed. Men with average builds, bro, they can wear all types of clothing and it's gonna look good on them, but normal or straight fits tend to look the best. Now, men with bulky builds, they're not necessarily overweight, but they'll typically carry a lot more muscle and fat on their bodies more than the slender and the average build. As such, they look better in clothes that's straight cut and preferably even loose cut. Now, even if you go for a fit that matches specifically your body type, you still need to know how to pick the right colors to look your best, which takes me to number 2. You need to wear the right colors for your skin tone. Your skin tone, it's not the same as your skin color. Skin tone is an underlying shade that impacts how colors interact with your skin. And skin tone is broken into 3 main categories. You have cool, warm, and neutral. So here's how you're gonna determine your skin tone and then how to choose the right colors for it. I want you to start by turning your left arm upside down so your knuckles are facing the floor. And then look at the veins that run from the inside of your elbow all the way down to your wrist. If your veins are blue, you have a cool undertone. If they're green, you have a warm undertone. And if they're purple, you have a neutral undertone. If you have cool undertones, you should go for colors like blue, purple, pink, or gray. If you have a warm undertone, go for colors like orange, green, red, or yellow. And if you have a neutral undertone, every color looks good on you. But the best ones are blue, green, red, and yellow. Now that you've found the perfect fit for your body type and the perfect colors for your skin undertone, you're on your way to living life on easy mode. However, there is a lot more to learn to get to that point, from knowing how to choose accessories to techniques to dressing taller. But before we even get into that, I need to then show you how to match your colors in your outfit, which takes us to number 3, how to balance the colors in your fit. Understanding which colors are best for your skin tone is one thing, but knowing how to balance them with other colors, it's just as important. So here's a 3-step formula for balancing the colors in your outfits. I want you to start by using a primary color, which could be a color that complements your skin tone, or just start with a neutral shade, like navy blue or dark brown. The dominant color you choose should make up about 60% of your outfit. Next, you're gonna incorporate a neutral color to balance out the overall look, like black and white. This is gonna prevent your outfit from feeling overwhelming. This neutral tone should make up about 30% of your entire outfit. Finally, you can add a complementary color that makes up about 10% of your outfit. This could be done with an accessory like a tie or a bag or even your shoes. The complementary colors will be the opposite color of the dominant color you choose for your outfit using the color wheel. So if your dominant color is, let's say, navy blue, that means your complementary color or the accessory that you can wear should be orange. So for simplicity, 60% should be your dominant color, 30% should be a neutral color, and only 10% should be a complementary color. Number 4, upgrade your outfits with accessories. Most guys will obsess over their outfits, but forget that what they carry, it's just as visible. Your bag, your wallet, these can build up any basic outfit if you do it right. But for the love of God, stop carrying your wallets in your front pocket. So first, you're gonna swap all your cheap accessories. They mess up your outfits. An old canvas backpack or a bulky old wallet will throw out your entire outfit. You never wanna be overstuffed. This is why I like to upgrade to a sling. This one that I'm using is from Grams 28. Bro, the Napa leather on this thing just patinas over time. I've had this for a few months now, and it turns heads everywhere I go. People think I'm wearing designer. And now I can carry my daily essentials like my keys and my wallet without overstuffing my pants. And thousands of men have upgraded their EDC with their best-selling backpack. The thing is sick, but you, if you wanted to check it out, you're gonna get it at an absolute steal. I saw it go viral on Instagram last year, and that's where I saw it the first time. But again, don't pay full price, bro. Right now, it's the best time to shop. Just compare a cheap old canvas backpack, it doesn't matter how nice your fit is, versus the Grams 28 leather backpack. Just look at that back shot, bro. The Versus speaks for itself. A good accessory levels you up, which takes us to the second step. You change your bag options. Most men will only use backpacks or cross-body bags thinking as if that's the only option. But you also got purses. You can wear purses with I got you, G. Don't wear purses, bro. But there are other bag options. You can instead level up with a leather folio. Folios are slender, they're not bulky or heavy, and they look elegant. If you've seen me on my stories, you've probably seen me carry a folio around a lot around the city. I love it because I can take it anywhere. I can take it on a date, I can take it for a coffee run, I can take it to the office. It carries my essentials, both my laptop, all my daily carry, and it's nice and slender. This one also is from Grams 28. They have several folios, but the specific one that I use is the 114 folio. It's made with full grain Italian leather. You can already see the wear on this thing, and it's so supple. It's the same luxury leather that you'll see in high-end brands like Hermes. It's designed for guys that care about aesthetics and high quality. Which takes me to the third step. You need to build an everyday carry. Your style isn't just what you wear, it's about what you carry. And I rotate my bags depending on my day, so I'll go from my backpack to a sling to my folio, depending on what my workday consists of. But I always have my everyday carry essentials on any of them. My wallet, my phone, my gum, an extra fragrance, my headphones, and I know I'm always good. Bro, I'm telling you, if you want to look like you're just dripped out in designer, like you just look expensive, focus on the accessories, especially the bags you carry, and the best ones. The ones that look like you spend $1,000 to $2,000 on each are from Grams 28. If you guys want to level up your bags, whichever option you want, I'm going to have it linked down below. Go ahead and check out their whole range. It is the perfect time to buy. Number 5. Look taller with style hacks. You can actually make yourself look taller with the right choice of clothing. So I'm gonna give you 5 subtle techniques you can use to give the illusion that you're taller, and you can mix and match all of these. First, opt for horizontal striped shirts. Second, choose straight cut jeans with no breaks at the bottom to elongate your legs. 4, match the color of your pants to the color of your shoes. And 5th, wear a shirt that stops right at your waistline or it's cropped. Now, these 4 tips, they focus on elongating your lower half and shortening your upper half, which will create a visual illusion and you'll appear to be 1 to 2 inches taller. However, you can take this even further with the best tip on this list, which is wearing boots. Bro, your boy's wearing boots right now. I wear boots whenever I can. Even if you're a tall guy, when you wear boots, you add an extra 1 to 2 inches. You gotta be height maxing at any chance you got, bro. Look, by this point in this video, I've shown you how to pick the right fit. I've showed you how to pick the right colors for your skin tone, then how to mix those colors with the perfect equation. I've shown you how to choose the right accessories, and now I'm showing you how to look taller. I'm keeping my promise. I'm gonna make sure you live life on easy mode based on just how you dress. We got 2 more important tips to cover. And the last one is one that very few men implement. Number 6, how to balance multiple pieces of jewelry. The easiest way to elevate your style as a man is with jewelry. However, most men tend to go overboard with their jewelry and don't consider which style and color looks best on their body and their skin. So here's a 3-step breakdown for how you should wear jewelry as a man. Step 1, you need to pick the style of jewelry that best suits your body type. If you have a slim body type, go for thin pieces. If you have a bulky body type, you want thicker jewelry. And if you have a normal body type, you have the option to choose either, but thinner looks better. Step 2, you now want to match the color of the jewelry to your skin undertone. If you have fair skin, stick to silver jewelry. If you have dark skin, stick to gold jewelry. And if you have tan skin, you have the flexibility of using either silver or gold. And step 3, you're gonna follow the 2-1-1 method to make sure you're always wearing jewelry in a balanced format, which means you're going to wear 2 necklaces, 1 bracelet, and 1 ring, and you're always gonna look like a pro when you wear jewelry. Number 7, you're gonna choose the right glasses for your facial structure. Glasses have the power to make your face look more balanced and more attractive, but this is only going to work if you match the right style to your specific facial structure. So here's how you're gonna find your face structure and how to match the best style to it. First, you can either go to TikTok or Instagram and look for face shape filter. This is the easiest and most accurate way to figure out your face shape. For example, mine is square. After that, you're gonna pick a pair of glasses that complements your face structure. For example, if you have more of a round face with round edges, this could be a circle, an oval, or a heart-shaped face. Then you're going to want to wear the opposite, something more rectangular or that has more angles on their frame. So rectangular and square frames tend to look best, as this is gonna add more structure and more definition to your soft features. However, if you have sharper features, for example, I have a square face, or if you have a diamond face, or if you have a rectangle face, you're going to want to wear the opposite of that. So that means circular or oval glasses will look better to soften some of your harder features. Now, if your face is somewhere in the middle, which is usually more the almond or the oval faces, you guys are neutral. You can wear any frame and you're gonna just look good. But if you listen to me and you apply these 7 rules of style into all of your outfits, I'm telling you right now, you're gonna live life on easy mode.